Notice that the question states, write down the next two numbers in the sequence. Here we have 1, then 1 and 3 over 4, then 2 and 1 over 2, and then 3 and 1 over 4. And our goal is to figure out what are the next two numbers in the sequence. Notice that 1 plus 3 over 4 is 1 and 3 over 4. And notice that 1 and 3 over 4, if we just add 3 over 4 again, we get 2 and 1 over 2, which is the next term in the sequence after 1 and 3 over 4. And if we add 3 over 4 to 2 and 1 over 2, we get 3 and 1 over 4, which is this term. And so that means that in order for us to figure out this next term in the sequence, we're just going to add 3 over 4. So we have 3 and 1 over 4, and we add 3 over 4, and that gives us 4. And so that means that the next term is going to be 4. And so we're going to take 4 and we're going to add 3 over 4 to it. And so we have 4 plus 3 over 4, and that gives us 4 and 3 over 4, which means that the next two terms in the sequence is going to be 4 and then 4 and 3 over 4. Now, we can also do this using decimals. So 3 over 4 is simply 0.5 written as a decimal. So if we say 1 plus 0.5, that's 1.75. And 1.75 is the same thing as 1 and 3 over 4. And so if we take 1.75 and we add 0.75, that gives us 2.5, which is the same thing as 2.5. And if we take 2.5 or 2.50 and we add 0.5, which is the same thing as adding 3 and 1, which is the same thing as adding 3 over 4. If we take 2.5 and we add 0.75, we get 3.25, which is the same thing as 3 and 1 over 4. And then we take 3.25, which is 3 1/4, and we add 0.75, and that gives us 4, which is the exact thing that we got here. And then we take 4 and we add it to 0.75, and that gives us 4.75, which is the same thing as 4 and 3 over 4. And so that means that the next two terms in the sequence are 4 and then 4 and 3 over 4.